You all know that when it comes to whipped cream, I'm the queen. So today I have decided to come teach you all how to achieve the best super stable whipped cream using your hand mixer. A whole lot of people have asked me if it's possible for them to use their hand mixer to achieve the stable whipped cream just the way a stand mixer would do. And the good news is yes, you can. The only snag to this is there's a special hand mixer that is designed specifically to give you the best result, and this is it right here. This hand mixer comes with a wire whisk, all right, and so it easily imitates what a stand mixer will do, only that you're going to be holding this with your hand. And the best part of this video is that I'm going to be teaching you how to work with this hand mixer using your liquid stable whipped cream and also your powdered whipped cream. After this video, you are not going to ever get stranded with working around your achieving stable whipped cream. This is a growing community and you all want to be a part of the growth. Make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you get amazing videos each time I drop a nice one as this. Like the video, drop your comments, share your feedbacks and reviews, and of course, very importantly, hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done that. Let's go and learn how to make the best stable whipped cream. For the stable powdered whipped cream, we're going to be using 300 grams of powdered whipped cream. Any good brand is okay as long as you follow the recipe according to how I explain it. And you're going to be needing the ice cold water. As you also can see that I added ice cubes to make sure that the temperature of the water is as cold as I would like it to be. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the stable whipped cream round. The stable whipped cream is going to come with the ice cold liquid whipping cream as well as the stabilizer, which comprises basically of the corn flour and the icing sugar, also known as the confectioner's sugar. Basically, throw it all in style. All you need to do is first of all make sure that the whipping cream is ice cold, all right, as seen here. So just simply pour this into your mixing bowl. You do that and then you start the process, the whipping process, with the hand mixer. First of all, you whip this till it is thickened slightly before you now start adding the stabilizer, which now helps you to achieve its maximum stability. All you need to do is now to start adding the stabilizer. The stabilizer also aids the sweetness because you all know that liquid whipping cream is not very sweetened. The presence of the confectioner's sugar is to aid the sweetness. The corn starch is to give it the maximum stability it needs to withstand any kind of temperature it might be exposed to. For the stand mixer, I usually whip up for a maximum of 4 minutes, and that's it. And so the stable whipped cream is ready. I'll take a look at what it looks like. Hand whipped, but just as perfect. Now this is the stability check. It's not supposed to drop out of the bowl even if you shake it, right? And that's how you know that your whipped cream is stable enough to withstand any temperature. Now to the next one. So for the stable whipping cream, using the powdered whipping cream, we're going to basically use 300 grams of whipped cream powder. Pour that into your cold bowl. Then you're going to be using 300 ml of ice cold water. So pour this into your powder, then give it a very light mix using your spatula. You don't need any extra ingredients aside this ingredient, so you just go on with your high speed of mixer and you whip this up for the next 5 minutes, but you have stops in between of it to scrape the sides and to make sure that your whipped cream is coming up very nicely. Make sure you are turning it like this so that we can be sure that the hand mixer is gaining enough ground. See already? You all can see how already so stable this is. If you like to purchase this kind of mixer that I used, the exact thing I used in this video, is available for delivery anywhere within Lagos, Nigeria for now. That way you don't have to worry about your stand mixer anymore. Let's check the stability test. Already from trying to mix it, you all can see how super stable it is. Put this on the palette, on the spatula, and it holds its shape, not falling off until I shake it off vigorously. So stable. Here we go. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, go. Yeah. Only Femi's stable whipped cream can do this, and that's only when you use this amazing new machine that comes with 3 components in the machine. It comes with the dough hook, comes with the beater, and comes with a wire whisk. Guys, so I have holding with my right hand one of the whipping cream options and holding with my left hand the second whipping cream option. Tell me in the comment section which you think is the liquid whipping cream and which one you think is the powdered whipping cream. If you enjoyed learning these recipes, drop your comments, your feedbacks, any related questions, observations, and I will be very much available to attend to all of them. Don't forget, the aim is to continue to build a thriving community on this platform. Till next time, guys, I remain your favorite baker girl, Femi's Dessertsville. Bye bye.